Welcome back, guys. In this short video, we're going to discuss an item called Orient on Surface. Now, I'm going to start my work by setting up this box here, and then I'm going to hold Control and Shift and move one of the edges downwards like this to create some sort of a slope. All right? And then I'm going to go ahead and add another box, a simple one here. Now, what I want to achieve here is setting this smaller box on this larger one. Now, to do so, I'm going to go ahead and select Orient on Surface. Now, select the first object. Then, from this point, select the first reference on this face. Now, if I go ahead and click on OK, I would be able to set this square or this box anywhere on the surface that I want to. As you can see, I can reproduce this by copying it. Also, as you can see, the size is the same. Now, the surface here was completely flat, right? However, what if we had a curved one? I mean, for example, let's say, for example, this would be our surface now. All right, let's see how it works now. Again, select Orient on Surface. And then again, we need to specify the reference line. Let's go from here this time. And then after that, just hit OK. All right. And just like before, we can start clicking on our surface. What has happened here is that the object has been set on my surface with the help of the specified point and also a specific course. Okay, now what if I wanted to add a little bit more, you can say deformity to this object, like let's say we want to rotate this a bit. So again, let's select Orient on Surface, then select the object. Then just like before, specify the reference here. Here we go. Now click on the surface and this time deactivate rigid. And now if we go ahead and try setting the object on our surface, as you can see here, we would get different types of deformities. Now to put it simply, we can say that it'll automatically create different deformities in our objects based on the curve that we have in the surface, or just basically based on the form of the surface that we are using. Now, if you didn't want this much deformity though, well, you can go ahead and set up a point somewhere on the box, like, for example, on the bottom side of this box here. Activate Smart Track. And now, I'm going to go ahead and use SP Loop. And I'm going to set this sphere around the object. And then after that, I can set the object on my surface. I mean, as you can see, we still have some deformities. However, it's not that severe. So this could actually be a good option if you want to set the objects on curved surfaces. Right, guys, we are done here. I hope that you would find this technique beneficial. Thank you so much for your attention and see you all next time.